Hello and welcome to everybody. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find your Binance wallet, or more likely wallets in quotations. But before we heading into that, I'd like to introduce our sponsor for today's video, AMXC. It's an easy to use platform to trade crypto online. It's very fast. You can check them out. Link is down in the description below. Also, FTMO, our affiliates, they will give you up to 200k of other people's money to trade with, and you can keep up to 90% of the profits for yourself, and they cover all the losses, but you have to prove to them that you are a professional trader. Do that and you're in game. Alright, so where to find your Binance wallets? Well, there it is. That's it. Nah, I'm just kidding, of course. Click on overview, head out to spot, and here where we displayed all the cryptocurrencies that are supported by Binance. You have your Cardano, you have your Shiba, you have your Litecoin, you have your Dogecoin, you have everything that's supported by Binance. But each coin has its own wallet. It's not a universal wallet. So if you click on Cardano, whoops, no. If you click on deposit on Cardano, you'll be taken to this page, and here your wallet address will be displayed depending on which network you select. If you select the other network, this will be your wallet for the other network, meaning you can receive from other networks to this other network wallet the cryptocurrency. You can't receive it for, like, say, from the smart chain to this. It must be the same on both ends, and this is for your smart chain. Let's give another example. Let's say Ripple. Again, clicked it by mistake. Click deposit. Select Ripple. You can change them from here as well. Let's say on the Ethereum network. This is your wallet for the Ethereum network. For the Binance Smart Chain, this is your wallet for the Binance Smart Chain. You see different wallets. Something else. Let's say Ethereum. Address for Ethereum, for Binance Smart Chain, for ERC. And that's it. That's pretty much how to find any cryptocurrency wallet that you need. So I hope this helped. See you next time, and good luck.